So we're at the Van Han Mall here in Saigon, District 8, I think. We're gonna try this Korean barbecue place called Wow Yakiniiku. The starting price for this place is $299,000 for all that you see on this menu. You can also get the $399 menu, but it's like 5 more extra items. It's an all-you-can-eat Japanese style buffet. So $299 translate into about $12 US. I'm very hungry. I like beef, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so we bought our ticket. The place is very cool. You can see you can order on the app or on the menu, and they bring it to you on a spaceship right here. So this is the dining area. It reminds me of a diner in the US. You can come here by yourself. Everybody get their own grill. Let's take a seat and look at the menu closely and order some meats, and I can show you guys. Okay, so here's the table, here's the grill. You scan that barcode there and you can order on the app, and the spaceship will bring it to you. You have your utensils here, your dipping sauce right there, the grill right here. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is a Japanese barbecue, and the Japanese, they'll give you something to put your belongings in so it's not on the floor. There you go. The more reason you should eat here. Very nice. All right, I think our spaceship is here. It's making this turn. Yay! All right.
Please take your meal and enjoy.
Let's get it.
Look closer. Please be careful.
How cute.
I am setting out for delivery.
And here's the second ship. I order a poached egg, some veggies, some edamame, and some kimchi. So I grilled some steak. You can see the steak has a lightly salted. Everything is very lightly salted. I'm gonna use the sauce to see if it's good. They have tongs to flip. Wow, this looks amazing, guys. All for 12 bucks. Okay. Not too cooked here. Let's just get it just right. I ordered rice, but I don't see it, so let me just reorder the rice. But the lettuce came, the kimchi came, the poached egg came. I think the rice is right here. No, the rice is not mine. All right, let's go ahead. Here we go. All right, guys. So the beef is here. Very fresh, very delicious. The ponzu sauce is the best, in my opinion. Pork ribs here. Put down some more steak. This is fantastic. The food keep coming. Fantastic place to eat. Different cut of beef, and they got chicken. beef strip, oh, so good. Let's try the garlic sauce. I order more sauce. I don't know. Oh, this is blade steak and another cut of steak. I'm ordering too much. I better eat it all first. On my platter, on my food, I gotta eat before I order. It is a buffet, but you shouldn't waste. Try pork ribs. Fresh, soft pork. If you like meat, this buffet is where you go. They only have pork, chicken, beef, and veggies. No seafood. But I'm telling you, the beef, very good quality. Oh my God. And they have Japanese sushi white rice. Try some kimchi. So not as good. Yeah, kimchi is so not as good, not as flavorful. Oh my God, I'm out of meat. Let's add some more meat. Let's add the new, it looks like blade steak. I like how these are cut to like portion size. Wow. All right, let's get some ribs in. The tongs is for the meat, chopsticks for the cooked meat. Let's shift these trays around. And the trays are stackable. The trays are stackable, very nice. Take up less room. Give you a shot of more steak cooking, because that's the money shot. So I believe these are blade steak or top sirloin. Sizzling. I flipped the middle piece. I shouldn't have flipped this one so they can cook evenly, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having a good time. The food is awesome. Very good price. The atmosphere is very nice. Everybody is sitting by themselves. They have tables over there if you want to have like 4 people. So they have booths of 4 and 6 people available over there. More cooking. All right, let's flip the rest of these. Oh my God, delicious. Oh. The pork are so soft. It's delicious. All right, let's try this cut. It's done. Sauce. I overcooked it. I overcooked it a little bit. But I'm gonna order another plate and cook it right. It tastes pretty good. Wow. Unlimited nuts. Bananas. $12. Let's get an edamame in. Wow, this cut is really delicious. It was overcooked because it was thin, but I got the thicker piece here and it tastes perfect. Look how the ribs are caramelizing. Get that barbecue taste. Even though this is an electric grill, it does a mighty fine job. Grill setting is at 6. They set it for me, I didn't fix it, and it's perfect. So you have to ask for it, but I got some salt and pepper with lime. I like my steak with some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna season the steak more with salt and pepper. Guys, this is no doubt probably one of the best Korean barbecue I've been to. The quality of the beef, the sauce, all the side dishes, and they give you Yakult yogurt at the end. They have a lot of branches. This one particular one is in Van Han Mall. Pork ribs, mighty fantastic. So I ordered some side salt, so you can sprinkle it on like Salt Bay. Okay, there we go. This is another cut, but it's a buffet, so just order one plate of all the cuts of beef, so you know which one you like and keep ordering the one you like. Okay, let's try this cut. This is how it looks. I don't know the name, but you can recognize it by the look. There we go. Some salt and pepper. Oh, I already got salt and pepper. Yeah. That cut is the best. Get the cut that looks like this. No fat, very soft. To me, it tastes like sirloin, top sirloin, or maybe a ribeye. Maybe a ribeye, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna order 20 more of those plates. They only come 3 slices per plate. That is delicious. Alright. Let's try a piece of chicken. Let's get some veggies. You didn't see me eat greens yet. Wow, I did not have high hope for this chicken, but it's super soft, clean, fresh. Tastes really good on the grill. Oh my god, yeah. What I did was I sprinkled some salt and pepper before I grilled it. Oh wow. It's not dry at all. It's very good. I think it's like chicken tenderloin cut. Okay guys, as I'm grilling my last few pieces of beef, final thoughts on this buffet. At $2.99 price, for only $4 more, you should get the $3.99. I will come back and have the $3.99. I won't film it because I'm just gonna enjoy it. Filming is very busy, and you cook and the steak is all overcooked. So take it from me, get the $3.99. They have that two selection of the thick cut beef that's super delicious. It's like top sirloin. And the recommended time limit here is 90 minutes or 75 minutes, but it's a Tuesday afternoon, it's busy, it's been over 75 minutes, I'm still here. So these thin slices are about to be done. Take advantage of the all the sides, because the egg dip, you can't see it on camera, but they call it the egg swoon or something like that. You put some ponzu sauce into it and it makes it a nice dip. But other than that, this buffet is super awesome. Nice AC, smokeless grill, kind of 90% smokeless, and it's good cut beef, all fresh. Even the chicken was good. See that I'm talking and I overcooked my beef again. So let me wrap this up. This is a go at $3.99 every day. A beer is about $1.05, $1.15 I meant, and a soda is exactly $1. It's very good. You grill it by yourself. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We'll see you at the next restaurant. Have a good day. Bye.